So the fact that we were multidisciplinary at Elephant was a key differentiator. We were able to integrate different aspects of design right from the start.
And I think that the boundary has really become very different now. It's not really multidisciplinary, it's sometimes cross-disciplinary, it's transdisciplinary. So there is a lot of give and take from all kinds of expertise.
Because of this multidisciplinary nature of Elephant Design, we are able to use our experiences across the projects. And since the teams also work on any given projects are multidisciplinary, we are able to draw from experiences from these people. So maybe it's a graphic design input, or maybe it could be an industrial design input, or it could be input from a research team. So that's what really helps and enriches our design solution and makes it really unique and which are different. And a client is able to see the uniqueness in the concept.
See, the Elephant is the only probably the design company which is multidisciplinary under one roof, and it helps a lot from a client's perspective, because for all kinds of design requirements you have one company to talk to. You don't need to talk to 4 different people for 4 different requirements. So that's a big plus point at Elephant.
The myths that people are like this and they only behave like that, they buy because of this, they don't buy because of that, so which are all myths. So you have to take nothing for granted and start fresh, start with open mind and go deep.
India is not about what a brand has built itself to be globally, but India is about what is it going to do to me. So the Indian consumer is waking up and sort of demanding his or her own aspirations from a product or service. So it's not about the label.
The way Indian market behaves is quite different from any other market in the world, and just trying to plug in ideas from other parts of the world to India doesn't work. People have to customize to India, and that value addition Elephant can do very well.
As a major player backed by almost 23 years of experience, we can comfortably say that right now we have the edge when it comes to clearly understanding what makes the Indian consumer tick.